Hello everybody. So today we are going to see how to delete the silence from our video. So we got videos and we wanna to avoid having the silence part in the video. Okay, when you don't say nothing, so you wanna make the video shorter. And so I found this way here how to do it and on this page, and I want to explain it because I have, so maybe it's a little easier for you to understand. First of all, we have to clone this repository here and of remsi bambax remsi. Okay, so you clone it, and if you have installed git, you can clone it or you can download it if you don't have it. So you go into your, you open your folder here, browser, internet browser, and so you go into one of your hard drive somewhere. You write here cmd, and then you do git clone. You clone the repository, and it's very light. So you go down here. You see what is this remsi thing here. Okay, now let's you take the video that you want to in which you want to avoid silence. So take one of your video. Let's copy this one and let's put it into our remsi folder here. Okay, there it is. So now that we've done this, we must let's go inside with command lines inside this folder. Okay, we are in the remsi folder, and now we need to um, create, well, let's copy this thing here, and before we copy it we just need to change something. The input file is called 01.mp4, and then the output file will be ffmpeg, or anything you want to call it, txt. And so here it will create the command that you will need to use ffmpeg. Of course, you need to have ffmpeg installed on your computer, and see in my blog you will find it. So now let's copy this thing. Let's go into our command line here, into our folder, and let's run this. Okay, now if you go into the remsi, you will find the file ffmpeg, and if you open it, you will see there is the command that you need. Let's copy it, and now it will generate the file without the silence that he has detected here. You see here that he has selected all the silence parts, and with Python it has made this so that you don't have to write it manually, of course, or find anything inside the file. So ffmpeg combined with Python has made this. So to see that we have the output file, and you see that is half the let's open the original one, and this one is 6 minutes and 42 seconds, and the output file is 5 minutes and 50 seconds. So it has gained 1 minute of silence that has been removed. So that's all, and see you next time. And I will use this code